Hey guys, hello after like 1 year or something being missing. So sorry, this wasn't in my plans, honestly. I really wanted to keep going with the videos and all that, but a lot has happened and I really didn't know what to talk about or what to film, what to share with you. And I realized I was like thinking too much. Okay, so I just grabbed something I wanted to do and I honestly just started filming. And this is how things work, right? The more you think, the less you do. Well, I haven't been doing much, honestly. I forced myself to like take it easy and just draw, paint, whatever when I feel like it. Just so I don't have any art blocks or anything. And it worked, honestly. I really wanted to focus in just one style, like one thing, just illustration, and put aside the acrylics and the paintings, but I can't. I really can't. I have decided that I really need to make them all. So today I want to make some embroidery. The next day I want to make some mugs. The other day I want to make some acrylic paints, and so and so. And I accept it now. It creates a pretty messed up feed, you know. But anyway, this is what creators do, right? We just do random stuff, just the way we want. So yeah, I'm trying to show you guys how you can make like cute things with just little materials. You don't really need much. Oh, I have shown 2 brushes in this video and I only used one. So you can see that you really don't need much. Also, forget about the yellow. I didn't really use the yellow, but and that weird mixture I was doing, mixing red, green, and the blue, and the purple in one weird tone that I really didn't know where I was going to use it, and I have decided to use it for all the shadows. Yeah, it worked on a cool brown shade. I think it worked pretty well. Film another day with me or week with me very soon, so you know how are things nowadays and how I'm holding on with a full-time job and all. Well, things are a bit different than my first video. Filming. It's a pain in the ass. to edit everything, but in the end, the result pays off. So honestly, I think it worked super cute. I'm planning on painting the other two right away. Let's see what comes out. Thinking about maybe a cat or something, like a pumpkin, and still don't know about the other. We'll see. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and see you next.